I'm drafting a pair of shorts. I'm drafting a pattern for a pair of shorts, waist 42 inches, hip 50 inches, and a total length of 20 inches. It's a surplus size, I must tell you, and the shorts is with elastic, not with a band. So this in this pattern drafting, you divide all the round circumferences by 4, except the thigh width. So the thigh width will be divided by 2, but the hip will be divided by 4. Now, because the woman has a big butt, the crotch length will be 15 inches, not 13. In another video of mine, I have taught us how to calculate the crotch depth or crotch width of pants. So 50 divided by 16 for this woman will be 3.125, to be rounded up to 3 inches. And so we go. From the top, I measure out 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. I'm cutting the front panel first. So 1/2 inch seam allowance here, 1/2 inch seam allowance there. Because I told you she is surplus size, that's the crotch length is 15. Total length is 20, which we call also hemline. Beginners, this pattern drafting is especially for you. So on this pattern drafting, I have the waistline, the crotch line, and the hemline. The width of the hip. Hip is 13. Crotch depth, crotch width, you get rounded up to 3. You go down from the crotch line by, usually you choose the length of your shorts. So for this woman, we are taking 5 inches. She doesn't want it too short. We're taking 5 inches. So I measure it out totally. I'm using the French curve for the crotch width and all of that. Please watch to the end of this pattern drafting. I have put all of the seam allowance that I'll be needing to sew together. So this is it. This is it. I hope you are seeing it. This is it. This pattern drafting is just for drafting and cutting out. It's not for sewing. Thank you for watching.